Rebel One Combi Unitized offers various advantages that make the product irresistible for both the experienced and the occasional user. Combi Unitized is one-step finishing at its best. While you previously required 2 discs for the perfect weld seam, 1 disc is now enough. No more time-consuming disc changes are required, and you can work up to 30% faster. Combi Unitized allows grinding without risks and errors with the highly forgiving construction of the disc. The flexible sides ensure a protective effect that avoids grinding into the workpiece. You have 100% control during grinding with Combi Unitized. This flexible disc has soft contact and rests on the workpiece in a way that always maintains great working comfort. Combi Unitized grinds cooler than more traditional abrasive materials, meaning there is less chance of deforming or discoloring the workpiece. Combi Unitized is always a guarantee for a uniform finish. Therefore, a flawless finish remains guaranteed in all conditions.